Stop wasting your time hunting down individual codes for every single app you want on your Fire Stick. Most people spend more time searching for working links than actually enjoying their entertainment. If you are tired of codes that expire every 2 days and stores that are empty, you are in the right place. Today, I am handing you the one master code that unlocks over 70 premium apps in a single click. Welcome back to TechVibes. We are all about helping you reclaim your time and save your hard-earned cash. Today, we are skipping the fluff and getting straight to the point with a setup that works perfectly in 2026. All apps downloader code and links are mentioned in the description. First, let's talk about the all-in-one power store. You need to use code 969600000. This is the king of app-linked stores because it is actually managed and updated daily. Instead of having 5 different stores for movies, sports, and tools, this one code houses everything in neat categories. It is the ultimate way to declutter your device. You just scroll, click, and install whatever you need without jumping between menus. Next, focus on the maintenance section within this store. Most Fire Sticks start to lag after a few months because they get filled with background junk. Inside this master code, you will find high-end system cleaners and speed testers. Running a quick clean once a week can save you the cost of buying a new device. It keeps your hardware snappy and responsive just like the day you unboxed it. The third big benefit is the security tools. This code includes several lightweight privacy apps and browsers. In 2026, staying anonymous is more important than ever. These tools help you block trackers and intrusive ads that slow down your connection. It is a simple way to protect your home network while you enjoy your favorite content. You do not need to be a tech genius to set this up. Now for a quick bonus tip that most people miss. When you are inside this store, look for the backup media players. Sometimes a popular app might go down for maintenance. If you have a secondary player already installed, you can just switch over and keep watching. It is the best way to avoid a ruined movie night. Also, always make sure your VPN is active before you start the download process to keep everything smooth. If this master code just saved you a massive headache, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps us keep the lights on here at TechVibes. Subscribe so you never miss another money-saving tech update. Drop a comment below and let me know if there is a specific app you are looking for. I will see you in the next one.